Arrive in style with this 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power windows, intermittent wipers, rear reading lamps, privacy glass, heated mirrors, passenger airbag sensor, front reading lamps, driver illuminated vanity mirror, and tow hooks. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.